Serious ideas past or choose 5,000 cash back with Osiris. To stay on top of my game after 50, I switched to a complete multivitamin with more. Only one a day mins 50 plus advantage has indoor memory and concentration. Plus support for heart health. That's a great call. One a day mins.